Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here at 1A Auto, and today we're going to show you how to change the map light bulbs in an 03 Tundra. If you need any parts for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1AAuto.com. To replace the map light bulbs in the front here, you take a flat screwdriver, pull the tab, and then there's one on each side here. Pull it down, and there's your bulb. Pull the bulb out. I will use only on the metal part. I'll pull down on the tab like that, because these go in there pretty tight. And then there's your map light bulb. To replace it, you just line up both tabs, push up, put the plastic back in. You've got your two side tabs and the one in the center. Put the one in the center in first, then guide these up in, and you're done.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1AAuto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.